Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am gonna share with you how you can control your settings who can see your like videos on TIKI short video apps. Okay, so when you give like for some videos, someone videos, then this video will be added in your timeline, in your profile. Okay, so when the stranger or your friend visit your account, then they will see that you like that video. So how can you control this, and who can see your like videos? In this video you are gonna learn. So now let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see TIKI video apps. So click on your TIKI video apps and then go to your profile. So here you can see the videos. If I upload videos, then you can see here I didn't make any videos so far, that's why it's empty. And second one is like. Okay, so when you like someone videos, then you will see all videos in this row. Okay, so go to settings. Here you can see the option settings. So how can you control that? Who can see this here? So click on this and then go to settings. Here you can see the bottom part of your screen, settings, and click privacy. Below account, go to privacy, and the third option, who can view my like list. Okay, so in default it is everyone, but when you click friends, then only your friends can able to see your like videos. Or if you select only me, then no one can able to see your videos except you. Okay, so you will do it according to your interest, according to your thinking. So I think after this video you'll easily do this. So friend, today's no more, and I think it's video helpful and simple for you. And I'll ask you something. Please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this tutorial.